Alright, this is your right piriformis. Shoulders loose. I'll wake you up, right? Yeah, let's go. 10, 1, 0. Alright, hanging in there. Push in. There you go. Breath in and out. Hips relax. We're going to hold your sacrum down. You relax, don't breathe. Counter straining the hip muscles, the piriformis. Breathe and relax. Much better.
So C2, relax the shoulder. Beautiful. C6, drop your head there. Good. Beautiful. Feels good. I'm gonna pick you up. Okay, don't help me at all. Just try to relax as much as you can. Just move on like right on L4. Beautiful. Right there. Beautiful. And just relax your shoulders, let your head fall. Beautiful.
She sounded like a pig.
Hey, she tried though. She tried. It's so gnarly, right? Okay, so right here is a little shifted to the left. I need to bring it this way. So I'm going to attach right here with whatever fits, I don't even know yet. And I'm gonna drop on it, it's gonna crack that way. That fits.
Oh my god.
So right here on that sacrum.
Elbows together. Bring the elbows together. There you go. Oh, yes.
You're gonna live, Casey, I promise.
Make your ribs on the side. See how the side's lower. Sartorius.
Oh my gosh!
That's what he ran away for when he was in there.
Shut up! They're freaking her out! Like, yes, touch me. I'm just gonna press ours. Ah, shit!
What's going on out there in YouTube land? Good. We're gonna hook right in here, right here. Okay. You'll look up a little bit and look down now.
Oh!
That's my favorite one.
That was like 5 different sauce tracks at the same time.
So shake that out a little bit. See if that feels good there. That's better on upper back. For now, it's good. Let's do this one first. So we'll come right around here. And drop that right shoulder down just a little bit.
Oh dear God. That was really weird. It didn't hurt, but that was super weird. You're right. I think it's more like the noise, like you said. Being able to hear it was
super loud in your ear, right?
Yeah, it was really weird.
Yeah.
All right.
And you can tell it doesn't actually go that far.
No,
like
it didn't
the thrust
hurt.
is super. Come right here, and this one's gonna go right there.
Oh.
Whoa, I felt that. Oh my God, I never felt any.
Hello.
There we go.
Wow. Whew. Whoa. Okay, I'm awake.